cup? The menstrual cup really saves money. Can we poop while wearing a menstrual cup? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. मैं वैभवी and today I am going to answer your weird question related to menstrual cup. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. First question: how to start using menstrual cup? So basically, start when you are at home and you are actually prepared with your mind. So that if you have any fear in your mind that it will be too messy or it will leak, that will go away. And being at home, you can take out the cup anytime. So use the cup when you are at home until you get comfortable with your menstrual cup. Second question: the menstrual cup really saves money? So girls use sanitary pads approx 10,000 to 15,000 throughout their life. So if we calculated, if one pad price is 10 rupees, so 1 lakh rupees girls spend only for sanitary pads throughout their life. So yes, menstrual cup saves a lot of money. Third question: menstrual cup harmful or not? No, it's not harmful at all. You must be thinking, how can we insert anything inside? So don't worry, it's made of medical grade silicone, so it's not harmful at all, and it is also ecological, so it's not harmful environment either. Fourth question: which is the best cup? Although there are many cups available in the market, but if you ask me personally, for the last few months I have been using Everteen's menstrual cups, and it has no menstrual odor, no dryness, no discomfort, and it will give you a 12 hours of protection, and it will last for 10 years. And the best part is just rupees for 435. So let's open the box. It lasts long for 10 years and give a protection for 12 hours. My size is small and the price is only 435 rupees. So if open the box, actually it has a very cute packaging. Although in this we get a cup, and the cup is actually very soft. You can easily fold whatever size you want, whatever shape you want, according to your comfort. So that's the plus point. I love this. So it is 25 ml, and also we get a little pouch for traveling, so you can put a cup inside and pack the bag. So it is very travel friendly also. So I love this point. It is very cute although, so किसी को पता भी नहीं चलेगा आपने इसमें menstrual cup carry किया है. So that's the best point. So it has a 2 little holes, so it can lock inside our vagina. So don't worry, don't think that कि ये defective है. It is too soft and it is also safe for your skin too. Fifth question: can we pee while wearing a menstrual cup? Yes, you can pee while wearing a menstrual cup, because menstrual cup is worn inside your vagina where you bleed during your periods, whereas urine passes to the urethra, the tube connected to your bladder. When you pee, your cup can stay inside your body, still collecting your menstrual flow until you choose to remove it. Sixth question: can we poop while wearing a menstrual cup? Yes, you can poop, but if menstrual cup goes out even by mistake while doing poop, then you will not be able to lift it, and it will become a very gross. I recommended that you do poop only after taking out the cup. Seventh question: how to take care of menstrual cup? First of all, menstrual cup is a one thing to you insert in your body, so it's priority to take menstrual cup hygienic and take care of that cup. So once in a month you have to boil this menstrual cup with water. So hot water can beat out all bacteria and make cup very hygienic, but you can do it once in a month, that's enough. And on regular days when you are on periods, on that 5 to 6 days, you can use menstrual cup cleanser. It's Everteen menstrual cup cleanser. It's very good. In fact, it's non-toxic, antibacterial, antifungal, and 100% safe to wash. And best part, I love this product because it will get a small brush to wash your cup also, and get a huge bottle of liquid to wash your menstrual cup. Because अगर आप साबुन से वॉश करोगे तो पता नहीं कैसा इफेक्ट होगा. अवॉइड ही करो ऐसी वैसी चीज़ें, जो चीज़ें उसके लिए बनी होती है वो ही यूज़ करो। तो बेस्ट पार्ट है, आप एवरग्रीन का मेंस्ट्रुअल कप ले लो और उसके साथ ये क्लींजर भी ले लो। तो क्योंकि दिस इज माई पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस, दिस इज बेस्ट प्रोडक्ट यू कैन यूज। कप इज वेरी सॉफ्ट एंड द cleanser is in a one wash cleanse your all blood and it's very hygienic. So that's all you can take care of this menstrual cup. All the product I recommended, that first I used, then only I recommended to you, so you have to buy. Let's go to the next question. Question number 8, it's comfortable or not? Look, I will be very honest, it's not comfortable for first few months, right? Of course we are inserting something our body, so it's not comfortable at all. And in fact for in whole day we are only concentrating our cup, it will be not leak or anything. Of course we think all the time about the cup, but if you get comfortable in 2-3 months, you forgot that you are wearing a menstrual cup or anything else, you are on period, you literally forgot that. Because I am using menstrual cup for 2-3 months and I realized that literally sometimes I forgot that I am on periods, I have to change the cup even after 12 hours also. This is very useful and very comfortable. आपको फर्स्ट 2-3 मंथ्स ये अनकम्फर्टेबल लगेगा, बाद में आपको बहुत ज़्यादा कंफर्टेबल लगने वाला है और आप यही बाय करने वाले हो। क्वेश्चन नंबर 8, it will be very messy. No, not at all. Of course, for the first time you are using this, you are inserting this inside your body. So first 2-3 months, it's of course is not comfortable and it will be little bit messy. But after 2-3 months, in 4th month, 5 months, it will not be messy at all, because आपको आदत हो जाएगी कि कैसे वॉश करते हैं, कैसे पहनते हैं. For the beginning month you will be uncomfortable and it will be little bit messy, but after 2-3 months it will be not at all messy. That's my personal experience. My first 2-3 months little bit messy, but now I'm used to it, so it will not be messy at all. 9th question, menstrual cup increase our period cramps? No, not at all. Menstrual cup not increase period cramps. In fact, period cramps and menstrual cup का कोई भी संबंध नहीं है. ये रैंडम चीज़ें ही किसी ने अफवाह फैलाई है, मुझे पता नहीं, लेकिन पीरियड क्रैम्प और मेंस्ट्रुअल कप से कोई भी संबंध नहीं है लिटरली. 10th और मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन, हाउ वी कैन चूज द साइज ऑफ द मेंस्ट्रुअल कप? सो डोंट वरी, आई विल टेल यू हाउ टू चूज द साइज ऑफ अ मेंस्ट्रुअल कप. First of all, you have to insert your finger in your vagina. So if you insert 1-inch finger and you will feel a cervix. How for cervix feel? Cervix feels like our nose tip. So if you feel cervix after inserting 1-inch finger, then you need a small cup. If you feel cervix after inserting 2 inches like this, then you will need a medium cup. And if you insert a 3-inch or a full finger, then also you will not feel a cervix at all, then you will need a large cup. So that's it, very simple logic. You will get used to it after buying menstrual cup, so don't worry about that. Last and most important tip, if you are comfortable with menstrual cup, you are not at all uncomfortable, not at all messy, and you are confident to wearing it outside, so just take a 1 pad extra and one menstrual cup extra just for protection, because we know कि सिचुएशन क्या होगी, कुछ अनजाने में कुछ मैसी वगैरह हो गया, कुछ इनफैक्ट मेंस्ट्रुअल कप 10 साल तक टिकता है, लेकिन फिर भी कोई भी किसी भी ज़रूरत होगी, आपको फ्रेंड को नहीं होगा, तभी आप कैरी करो. दिस इज जस्ट फॉर अ प्रोटेक्शन, जस्ट फॉर सेफ्टी, दैट्स ऑल. So that's all for today's video. If you like this video, do like and share, and if you are new here, do subscribe to my channel. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. Love you all.